car won't start, check these 3 things first. Most starting problems are caused by simple issues that you can check yourself. Here are the 3 main things to inspect. 1. Battery main power source. This is the most common cause. 2. Starter motor/starter cables. If the battery is good but the engine still won't crank, inspect the starter motor and its wiring. 3. Fuel system. If the engine cranks but won't start, the problem may be in the fuel system. Conclusion: if your car won't start, 80% of cases are caused by the battery, starter system, or fuel system.